NWC suspends inflow to the Spanish Town water treatment facility due to increased pH levels at the Rio Cobre. And more than 500 pounds of ganja seized in St. Elizabeth, 3 Haitian nationals arrested, and later JLP candidate for Clarendon Northwestern to be decided on Sunday. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lugg. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.